What are the three types of property law? Property law affects how people own, transfer, and protect assets in New York. The three types of property law are real property, personal property, and intellectual property. Real property covers land and structures permanently attached to it, including houses, buildings, and certain ownership rights connected to the land. Personal property covers movable items such as furniture, vehicles, electronics, jewelry, clothing, and appliances. Intellectual property covers creations of the mind, including inventions, literary works, designs, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets. Knowing which category applies matters because each one is governed by different laws, agencies, and procedures. Property law defines how individuals and businesses acquire, use, transfer, and protect what they own. It also sets the rules for resolving disputes when ownership rights are challenged. In New York, real property law includes the right to possess, use, transfer, and benefit from land, subject to taxes, zoning rules, easements, and eminent domain. When real property is transferred, ownership is conveyed by deed, and recording that deed provides public notice of the transfer. In Manhattan, recorded property documents can be searched through ACRIS, while the New York County Clerk's office maintains records relating to judgments, liens, and certain court filings that may affect title. Forms of ownership such as sole ownership, joint tenancy, and tenancy in common can affect how property is sold, refinanced, or passed to heirs. Common examples of real property include single-family homes, condominiums, townhouses, multi-unit buildings, commercial buildings, industrial sites, agricultural land, and mixed-use properties. In Manhattan, condos and co-ops are common, but a condo usually involves deeded real property while a co-op usually involves shares in a corporation and a proprietary lease. That distinction can affect financing, taxes, transfer documents, and the closing process. Personal property differs from real property because it is movable rather than fixed in place. Some items can become fixtures if they are attached to real property in a permanent way, which can lead to disputes over what is included in a sale. A purchase agreement can help clarify whether certain items stay with the property at closing. Intellectual property law protects the right to profit from original ideas, branding, inventions, and creative works. Patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets each protect a different kind of intangible asset. The USPTO handles patent and trademark applications, while the U.S. Copyright Office handles copyright registrations. Business owners rely on intellectual property protections to stop unauthorized use and preserve competitive advantage. Real estate transactions in Manhattan often require contract review, title searches, lender coordination, and proper recording to protect ownership and priority interests. Title insurance can protect a buyer and lender if a title defect is discovered after closing. New York also protects property owners through laws such as the Real Property Law, the Property Condition Disclosure Act, and theft statutes under the penal law. A lawyer can help identify which property rules apply, and a Manhattan real estate attorney can guide buyers and sellers through contracts, title issues, recording requirements, and closings. If your matter involves real estate, another lawyer or attorney at Avenue Law Firm can help you understand your rights, and Avenue Law Firm is located at 505 Park Avenue Suite 202, New York, New York, 10022, United States, and can be reached at 212-729-4090.